Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you will gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, the best trading strategy, HQ. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing great out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for yet again another great short-term binary options play I have going on the Pocket Option platform here. Additionally, I would like to cover some of the advantages that you can get when trading binary options. We'll keep an eye on this trade as the video progresses. First thing to note is trading binary options can offer several advantages for investors. First and foremost, binary options provide a straightforward and easy to understand trading platform, making them accessible even to novice traders. You don't have to know much about the underlying market to make a quick decision when trading binary options. The fixed payout and predefined expiry times allow for better risk management, as traders can precisely calculate profit potentials and losses before even entering a trade. Additionally, binary options offer a diverse range of underlying assets, including stocks, currencies, commodities, and indices as well, providing ample opportunities for traders to diversify their portfolios. The relatively low initial investment required is another pro, enabling individuals with limited capital to participate in the financial markets. Overall, binary options present a quick and potentially rewarding way for traders to speculate on market movements in the short term and capitalize on those short-term opportunities. However, it's also essential to remember that trading any financial instrument carries inherent risk, and thorough research and risk management on the underlying market that the binary option is derivative of is crucial for your success. That's just a quick summary I put together there, guys, because I do get questions about, why should I trade binary options over other assets or other financial instruments? The truth is, you should trade all of the different financial assets, and diversifying your portfolio is very important. Binary options can be used as a hedge against long-term positions in these markets as well. That's another way to utilize them. And also, if you have a short-term speculative bet, you can place that on binary options as well. Just to reiterate again, make sure to keep your risk management in mind. That is key if you want long-term consistent trading results when trading binary options, and you never want to over-leverage risk and get into a position where you are emotionally trading, chasing losses, or forcing a trade. So make sure to keep that stuff in mind, guys, when trading binary options. As always, I have resources in the description below. If you would like to learn what strategies I like to use when trading binary options, I actually use a tool set of combining different forms of technical analysis when trading binary options and other financial instruments to make for more consistent long-term trading results. That is down below for the educational package. Alternatively, if you would like to skip all of the learning and get straight to the access of what trades I like to take, I also offer the shadow trading program, where you will get access to anytime I enter a trade 5 days a week, Sundays through Thursdays, and there you will get access to anytime I enter and exit a trade and the expiry time for that trade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Another fantastic short-term profit for this video here, just to highlight an example of the kind of trades I like to take here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you will gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, the best trading strategy, HQ.